Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, and if you are new, you're also welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button below. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do a simple makeup routine. It's very natural, or let me just say it's nude. So with no further ado, let me get started. And as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. I'll link the eyebrow tutorial in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. And because my eyelids are already prepped, I'll just jump straight into my eyeshadow, and I'm using Huda's palette today. So guys, I lost some of my footage, and the footage that I lost is the eyeshadow video, but basically I'll be using the three shades there: that brown shade, the maroon at the corner, and the brown shimmer. For my transition color, I'll be using this brown shade here. It's called Kisumu, and I'll get in Kisumu and use that shade as my transition. It's the same as my skin tone, so I can barely see it actually. So after I lost some of my eyeshadow footage, I was so 50-50 about putting this video up, but again I was like, yo, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so I just decided to put it up. So now, as you can see, my eyes are already done. So next I'm gonna go to my face, and I'm using for the primer, I'm using Lipstickip base mattifying primer. After applying my primer, I go to my foundation, and I'm using LA Colors in the shade Cappuccino. So after I'm done with my foundation, I get in with my concealer, and I'm using Cool Tan. And for the concealer, I use it to cover my under eyes as well, and I don't use much. I feel like using too much concealer. And the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. So now that I'm done with everything, I set the rest of my face using this palette called micolor 6-color powder. So I do not contour most of the time unless I have some special occasion. For the lipstick, I'm using Joanna K Fearless lipstick. It's a deep brown shade. So to set my face, I'm using City Color Oil Control Matte Setting Spray. Oh! So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give like to this video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, click the subscription button below, and until next time.